January 2026 in the Las Vegas brought something the world was not ready to see. Robots shaped like humans walked, worked, and acted almost alive. They are not prototypes anymore. Major companies built them for factories and homes. What happened at CES 2026 just changed the future. The Consumer Electronics Show opened its doors in January 2026 with a clear message: robots have arrived. Boston Dynamics, Hyundai, LG, Robotics, and several emerging companies displayed humanoid machines capable of walking, lifting, manipulating objects, and working alongside humans. These robots represent years of engineering focused on balance, dexterity, and artificial intelligence integration. Boston Dynamics showcased its electric Atlas humanoid robot at CES 2026. The machine demonstrated improved mobility and object manipulation compared to previous versions. Atlas can navigate complex environments and handle industrial tasks. Boston Dynamics designed Atlas for warehouse operations, manufacturing facilities, and logistics centers. The robot uses computer vision and machine learning to identify objects and adjust its movements in real time. Hyundai Motor Group brought multiple robotic systems to the event. The company revealed advancements in its humanoid development program. Hyundai's robots are built for manufacturing environments where they work on assembly lines alongside human workers. The machines can lift components, use tools, and perform repetitive tasks that require precision. Hyundai has invested heavily in robotics research as part of its broader automation strategy. LG Electronics demonstrated home robots designed for domestic tasks. LG's machines can fold laundry, organize items, and assist with basic household chores. These robots use sensors to detect fabric types and adjust their handling techniques accordingly. LG positioned these robots as assistants for aging populations and busy households. The company stated that its home robots will enter consumer markets within the next 2 years. Robotics presented 4NE1, a humanoid robot built for versatility. According to the company, 4NE1 can operate in both industrial and domestic settings. The robot has hands capable of gripping objects of various shapes and sizes. Robotics equipped 4NE1 with cognitive AI systems that allow it to learn from its environment and improve task performance over time. The company demonstrated the robot pouring beverages, stacking items, and navigating crowded spaces. One notable unveiling came from Humanoid, which showcased fully autonomous robotics solutions at CES 2026. Humanoid's robots operate without human supervision in controlled environments. The company's machines use advanced sensor arrays and AI algorithms to make decisions independently. Humanoid focused on industrial applications, where robots can work continuously without breaks. The company's presentation included demonstrations of robots performing quality control, inspections, and material handling tasks. Several companies displayed companion robots designed for social interaction. These machines do not perform physical labor, but instead provide conversation, reminders, and emotional support. Companion robots use natural language processing to understand speech and respond appropriately. Developers target elderly individuals and people living alone as primary users. These robots represent a different approach to robotics, focusing on human connection rather than productivity. The robots at CES 2026 share common technological improvements. Better battery systems allow longer operation times, advanced actuators provide smoother, more human-like movements. Computer vision systems have improved dramatically, enabling robots to recognize objects and people with higher accuracy. Machine learning models allow robots to adapt to new tasks without extensive reprogramming. Manufacturing companies express strong interest in humanoid robots for their facilities. Labor shortages in industries like logistics, warehousing, and production have driven demand for automated solutions. Humanoid robots can work in environments designed for humans without requiring facility redesigns. They can use existing tools, navigate standard doorways, and climb stairs. This flexibility makes them attractive alternatives to specialized industrial robots that require custom infrastructure. price remains a significant barrier to widespread adoption. Most humanoid robots showcased at CES 2026 cost between $100,000 and $200,000. Companies working on mass production aim to reduce costs through manufacturing scale and component standardization. Some executives predicted that prices could drop below $50,000 within 5 years as production volumes increase. Safety systems received considerable attention at CES 2026. Robots working near humans must detect people and stop movements to prevent collisions. Companies demonstrated collision avoidance systems that use multiple sensor types including cameras, LiDAR, and proximity sensors. Robots can sense human presence and adjust their speed or path accordingly. Regulatory frameworks for robot safety continue to develop as these machines enter workplaces and homes. David Hyun, Chief Strategy Officer at Hyundai Motor Group, stated during a CES 2026 presentation, humanoid robots will play a crucial role in solving labor challenges across multiple industries. Our goal is to deploy thousands of units in manufacturing facilities within the next 3 years. The speed of robot development has accelerated noticeably. Companies that showed basic prototypes 2 years ago now demonstrate production-ready machines. This acceleration stems from improvements in AI, particularly large language models and computer vision systems. Robots can now understand complex instructions and perform tasks with minimal programming. Not all robots at CES 2026 were humanoid. Quadruped robots, wheeled platforms, and specialized machines also appeared throughout the exhibition. These designs excel at specific tasks where human form is not necessary. Quadruped robots navigate rough terrain more effectively than bipedal machines. Wheeled robots move faster on flat surfaces. The variety of designs reflects different engineering priorities based on intended use cases. Several startups unveiled first-generation products at CES 2026. These companies focus on niche applications like elderly care, education, and hospitality. Startup robots often cost less than products from established companies, but have fewer capabilities. Some analysts view these startups as testing grounds for features that larger companies may adopt later. CES 2026 demonstrations revealed current limitations that affect deployment strategies. Many robots move slowly compared to humans. Task completion times exceed human performance in most cases. Robots struggle with unexpected situations that require improvisation. Battery life restricts operating hours, with most humanoid robots operating between 4 to 8 hours on a single charge. Dexterity remains challenging, particularly for tasks involving delicate objects or precise hand movements. These limitations will diminish as technology improves, but they remain relevant for current deployment decisions. Industrial adoption appears most likely in the near term. Factories provide controlled environments where robots can operate predictably. Tasks are repetitive and well-defined. Companies can justify high upfront costs through labor, savings, and productivity gains. Manufacturing facilities already use automated systems, making robot integration smoother. Worker training programs are being developed to help employees collaborate with humanoid robots. Home adoption will take longer due to price sensitivity and the complexity of domestic environments. Homes contain varied layouts, unpredictable obstacles, and tasks that change daily. Consumer acceptance also requires time as people adjust to robots in personal spaces. The robots at CES 2026 demonstrate that physical AI has moved from research to commercial reality. Companies are building machines for actual deployment, not just technology demonstrations. This shift represents billions of dollars in investment and years of engineering development. Production facilities are being constructed specifically for robot manufacturing. Supply chains for robotic components are expanding. Whether 2026 becomes the year robots entered mainstream life depends on adoption rates and continued technological progress. What is clear from CES 2026 is that humanoid robots are no longer concepts. They are products ready for real-world testing and implementation. That's all for today's coverage of robotics at CES 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe to AI Tech Academy for more updates on artificial intelligence and robotics developments. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on humanoid robots entering workplaces and homes. We'll continue tracking this technology as it evolves throughout 2026. Thanks for watching.